Welcome back to our channel. Our topic for today is World Trade Organization. Introduction. The World Trade Organization, WTO, is an international organization that regulates and promotes global trade among countries. It was established on the 1st of January 1995 under the Marrakesh Agreement, replacing the General Agreement on Tariffs and Trade, GATT. The headquarters of the WTO is located in Geneva, Switzerland. The main objective of the WTO is to ensure smooth, free, fair, and predictable international trade between nations. It provides a platform for member countries to negotiate trade agreements, settle trade disputes, and reduce trade barriers such as tariffs and quotas. The World Trade Organization is a global international organization that deals with rules and regulations governing international trade among nations. How did WTO came into being? The General Agreement on Tariffs and Trade, GATT, traces its origins to the 1944 Bretton Woods Conference, which laid the foundations for the post-World War II financial system and established two key institutions, the International Monetary Fund, IMF, and the World Bank. The GATT became the only multilateral instrument, not an institution, governing international trade from 1948 until the WTO was established in 1995. The Uruguay Round, conducted from 1987 to 1994, culminated in the Marrakesh Agreement, which established the World Trade Organization, WTO. The WTO incorporates the principles of the GATT and provides a more enduring institutional framework for implementing and extending them. The GATT was concluded in 1947 and is now referred to as the GATT 1947. The GATT 1947 was terminated in 1996 and WTO integrated its provisions into GATT 1994. Objectives of WTO: to reduce trade barriers and encourage free flow of goods and services. To minimize customs duties and quantitative restrictions among countries. To provide a mechanism for resolving international trade disputes peacefully. To prevent unfair trade practices such as dumping and discrimination. To promote growth and development of developing countries through international trade. To create a transparent and predictable trading system. Functions of WTO: administering trade agreements. The WTO manages and implements international trade agreements among member countries. Forum for Trade Negotiations provides a platform for countries to negotiate trade-related matters. Dispute settlement settles trade disputes between member countries through legal procedures. Monitoring trade policies examines trade policies of member nations to ensure transparency. Technical assistance and training provides support and training to developing countries on trade matters. Organizational structure of WTO: Ministerial Conference. The apex body, the supreme governing body of the WTO. Composition: composed of trade ministers from all member countries. Function: meets at least once every 2 years to make final decisions on all multilateral trade agreements and overarching policy. General Council Operational Hub, the highest-level decision-making body located in Geneva, acting on behalf of the Ministerial Conference between its biennial meetings. Composition: representatives, usually ambassadors or heads of delegation, from all member states. Dual roles: dispute settlement body, DSB, and trade policy review body, TPRB. Specialized councils: 3 main councils operate under the General Council, each overseeing specific areas of trade. Council for Trade in Goods manages multilateral agreements on goods and oversees specialized committees, e.g., agriculture, market access, sanitary and phytosanitary measures. Council for Trade in Services oversees the General Agreement on Trade in Services, GATS. Council for Trade-related aspects of intellectual property rights, TRIPS, manages rules and protections for international intellectual property. Subsidiary bodies, committees, and working groups: numerous permanent committees, working parties, and working groups report directly to the General Council or the specialized councils. These bodies handle specialized and administrative topics like trade and development, trade and environment, accessions for new members, and plurilateral agreements. WTO Secretariat Administrative Staff, headquartered in Geneva, it has roughly 630 staff members. Leadership, headed by the Director General. Function: provides administrative, technical, and legal support to WTO bodies, rather than making policy or governing. Thank you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more legal insights. See you in the next one.